I'm Claude, and I am the Daily Zapper. I own Apex Electronics. We make these devices, these incredible devices called tDCS devices right here in our facility in upstate New York. We have 5 employees. I never thought in my life I would have people making something that is truly revolutionary. tDCS can be good for so many different things. The 3 main reasons why people buy our devices are basically brain stimulation for cognitive enhancement, for depression and anxiety, and also for pain. The Daily Zapper is a project that we've been really considering for a long time. I always wanted to provide my customers with the best quality possible information on tDCS. I understand how hard it is to get started. I myself got started on tDCS about 4 years ago. It was very difficult. There was not a lot of information. Everything was very confusing. Our goal is to really give people something that is easy for them to watch and digest. These videos are not going to be really long videos individually, but we're going to try to make as many of them as possible to help you as much as possible. We're going to be bringing you these videos in a weekly basis. We're going to try to show people exactly how to use our devices, how to place them, and we're going to answer all the questions that you normally would call us or chat with us. I'm going to be looking into other ways in which people stimulate their brains. We're going to be trying different types of supplements to see what would complement tDCS well. Maybe tDCS can be just another tool in your arsenal to combat whatever depression, anxiety, pain. It really helps with relaxation. It really helps with so many other aspects that it's worth telling people. It's not just one thing. It's so versatile. You know, you can put the pads in different locations and you end up with completely different results. I appreciate your time, and I also appreciate your input. If you have any questions, if you like to suggest anything in particular, we would be glad to hear from you. Contact us directly and we will be glad to include you into this process. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.